still. I'm gonna go down and then up, and I'm gonna go down. Oh my, what? Triaxis by no. Best creator, oh my god. The best creator, bum 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 the best creator. My phone can't really handle this by. Okay, Triaxis by Josh, which has those eyes in front of it. Let me see if I can do the same thing. Just make an LL. LL. Let me see if that works. No. So let me see if this works. LL. LL. Okay, no, it just says LL. So I. Huh? I don't want sticks. What? Wait. I don't think that's how Neptune's name is. Sometimes I just call Sometimes I just call Neptune Neptune I. Back to I's one. For some reason I like that name and back. There. No one cares. Cool level, I guess. But if you made it a little bit harder, I would like that. We can clearly see when we have to jump. Cool song. No! Triaxis mixes by George XX Pro. Play. Oops! Wait, isn't this technically like kind of stolen from Retray? Or is it Sonar? Sorry, I get those mixed up. Oopsies, Triaxis mixes. That's 12 megabytes. I'm not gonna get that song. Triaxis by Big Boy Tyler. Oh my god, when you did that, it's just a description. 6x lol something. GG 100% 2 coins 4x 1. For some reason there are ones in there. You gave up this level. XD same. Alone. How to cringe and die at 69. And first try never be alone. I'm embarrassed by this level. If this was long, it would be featured. It's an old level I copied because it's an old level I copied. It's cause I lost the original. 500,000 5,000 downloads. More than that. Ooh, this one. fat rat. This is the fat rat. Never be alone. How long is this video? 31 minutes. We can still do it longer. No. No song. The block designs here kind of look like the Impossible games. Wait, I have a question. Can you change your character in the Impossible game? Owie! I don't think so. Also, how are you not supposed to get that coin? Like, go down or something? How are you not supposed to get that coin? Oh, yeah. Okay, that thing kills you. Okay, find the point. It doesn't seem like a very well-made level. Jesus. Why so much spam? Ah! Triaxis Funhouse by Planet GD to Fat Factor. Okay, good.